Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a Harman Kardon Model 8 Plus 8-track playback deck. This will also play quad tapes, and Harman Kardon was they weren't an overly popular brand in the States, but they were very high-end. They didn't come out with very many 8-track players. Chances are they just wanted to come out with a few just to satisfy the public demand and make a few bucks off the 8-track craze, but I haven't seen too many HK 8-track players. Now, we'll go into a little something here. The way the machine knows whether it's a quad tape or a stereo tape is a quad tape has this little notch cut out right there in the front, and you can see it there too. They got this big old notch cut out in the front of the cartridge, whereas a regular stereo tape does not have that notch cut out. So that's how the machine knows whether it's a stereo or a quad tape. And I'm switching to more obscure music for my demonstrations just to avoid any potential copyright issues. Today we're going to be checking out some Bonanza guitars from Al Ciola. So let's go ahead and pop them in. Output level meters in the picture. Make sure we're getting output on all 4 speakers, and we are. Let's switch tracks a few times. Okay, both sides there. On track 4, that was the problem. We did not have output on one side of track 4. That just popped out my receiver. Just got to turn it back on. Okay, there we go. Turn it down a little bit more. Okay. And then we're going to try a quad tape as soon as this receiver comes back on. There we are. Definitely time to replace my receiver with one that's not so sensitive to pops and sputters. Okay, so let's pop in a quad tape. Here's a quad tape. Danny Davis and the Nashville Brass. Now on a quad tape, you won't have output on all 4 speakers continuously. That's the whole idea behind quad. So you can see the right rear is kicking in, left rear is kicking in once in a while with an instrument. Let's go ahead and change programs. Okay, we're getting all 4 speakers on that as well. Okay, between songs is a good time. Check for proper head alignment. No music between songs. That's a good sign that I've properly aligned the head. It'll wait for the next song to start. We just switch tracks automatically, so it'll be a few seconds before music comes back on. And we'll just move on to the next track. Okay, they're taking their good old sweet time. There we go. Took a while for that track 1 tune to start. Alrighty, so we've confirmed that everything's working. Alrighty, let's pull the tape out. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job. And let's see if we can find my face again. There I am. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player, either for home or for car use, you can send it to me for repair. I also perform FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add Bluetooth, USB, aux input, digital capability nowadays, and you never know what the designer is going to come out with next. So my number is 928-533-9666, and my website is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.